Yeah.
Most played this week across One Extra, The Weekend, and Rock.
On the Smooth Sanctuary, the fabulous sound of Mark Cohn.
Single mom, what you doing out there? Facing the hard life without no fear. Just see and know that you really care. Cause any obstacle come, you well prepare. And no, mama, you never shed tear. Cause you
not the sort of neat pastoralism that her happy air seems to suggest.
It's also a slightly strange dramatic turn because everything up to that point where we hear her singing Endless Pleasure has been taking place on Earth, and now suddenly we're transported to the skies. We've heard already how Cadmus describes Semele being picked up by the talons of Jupiter's eagle and taken up